Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is not a makeup tutorial. Today's video is how I curl my hair, and I don't have a special way to curl my hair. It's just I have my own way to curl my hair because my hair is long and I do have a little bit of a big volume, not too much, so I just have my own way, and it's not the right way. I don't even know it's the right way, but it works for me, and everybody wanted me to create this video. A lot of people requested to do a video about how I curl my hair, and this video is for the people who asked for it. And it's a long process, trust me. I blow dry my hair for like 15 to 20 minutes, and because of this, I'm talking about that in my video. And after that, to curl my hair completely, it's gonna take, with blow dry and everything, it's gonna take up to an hour or hour and 15 minutes. So it's a long process, but now I'm kind of used to it. So without further ado, if you like to know how I got this curls, keep on watching. So I just got out of the shower right now, so my hair is still wet, as you can see. What I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna blow dry right now. I'm gonna wrap my hair with this. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a towel material, and it has a button and a hoop right here. It's like a triangle shape thingy. So I'm gonna wrap my hair and I'm gonna do my makeup. So now my hair is wrapped. I usually don't dry my hair with a towel. I just wrap it up and it soaks all the water in my hair. That's what I do. I don't know if it's healthy or not, but this is my style. This is what I do. And now I'm gonna do my makeup, and it's gonna take me about 30 minutes. So by that time, all the water in my hair is gonna soak up to this towel thingy. So I'll be back. Comment down below what's your Starbucks order, because I'm drinking the same thing over and over and over again, and I wanted to stop, but it tastes so good. This is green tea frappuccino, matcha green tea frappuccino with 2 pumps of raspberry, and I wanted to change it, but I love this and I don't want to change it. And I don't know any other drinks that it like tastes good, so comment down below what's your Starbucks order, because I'm gonna try it. So my makeup is done. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this. And next I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put products that I put before I blow dry. I talked about this product in one of my videos. This is the Pure Brazilian Leave-In Conditioner. I only put that like right here because, as you guys know, I have dry skin and I have dry scalp, but only like right here. So I put this. And you guys also know about this product because I talked about this one as well. And this is the OGX Silk Blowout Thermal Spray. Basically, this is a heat protector. I'm not gonna put this directly to my hair. I'm gonna put it in my hand and then I'm gonna comb it through. And next I'm gonna part my hair. And next I'm just gonna get a big brush and then blow dry my hair. I don't put that blow drying cap that it comes like really flat right here. I used it before and I don't know, I stopped using it. I don't see any difference, so I'm just gonna go like this. still not dry because I have a lot of hair. So it's still wet. I'm gonna flip it to this side and then blow dry from that side. And I think I have to flip it to this side again. Let's see. It depends. So you can see, still wet. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. I blow dry my hair. It is completely dry now. I usually blow dry my hair 20 to 25 minutes if I'm not using this. So it says actually cut the blow dry time in half. Not in half, but 15 minutes is better than 20 minutes. So my hand hurts so bad. Now this is my curling wand. I turned it on. It's a little hot. This is Conair. My blow dry is also from Conair, and that's like 10 years old. I don't know, it's not that expensive, but Conair brands, you can use it for very long time. My blow dry is like 10 years old. This is like 7, almost 10 years old. This is also Conair, and I think this is like 30 bucks. I'm not sure, 25 to 30 bucks. I got this when I was in New York. I don't remember the store, but I know it's the mall. I went to the mall and I wanted one and I got it. And my flat iron, it used to be Conair, and I used that for also 10 years, but that broke, and it actually didn't break. I went to Sri Lanka, and the electricity voltage or something, it's different in Sri Lanka, and I plugged it and I heard a noise and a smell, like a burning smell. I'm like, oh no, I burned it. I don't think this is Conair. I just cannot find the brand name. The only reason that I'm not upset about this is not Conair is like, I don't really flat iron my hair. It's either curl or like I go like this. So it doesn't matter. I don't know the size of this, but you can see it looks like this. This is the only curling one that I have. It's really hot, so be careful if you're doing this at home. Don't burn yourself. I've done it. I burned my forehead, I burned my face, I burned my neck, hands, everywhere. So to section my hair, I'm only using like hair ties, hairpins, and these type of pins. What I'm gonna do is, I cannot see the back, so I'm guessing. I take a hairpiece underneath the ears. Just gonna do a ponytail. Don't put it really tight, because once you blow dry it, you could leave a mark. Girls knows what I'm talking about. I divide it into 2 and I bring this to up front. Don't ask me why I don't have enough hair on this side than this side. Long story short, I did something stupid and it was tangled and I had to cut my hair. So that's why I have like really tiny short pieces. That's it. I'm not saying anything else because that's really stupid, but I did. So comb it and divide it into 2. Get this. Wrap it. I leave this much space. I don't know, you can see. I don't go like really close. And I unwrap it like this. And if I want it curls to hold for a long time, I'm gonna hold it for like this for like 2-3 seconds and then let it go. this side, I'm gonna go behind it like this. So your curls wouldn't go the same direction because you don't want your curls to go from left to right or right to left. I don't even know how to explain it. So I need my both hand to explain it, so give me 1 second. So you don't want your curls to go same direction when you put your hair in the back. So you want from the middle, it has to go like this or like this, not same direction. I hope you understand. Curl my hair, you can see how like short this one and this one, because I don't have enough hair on this side. Don't look at it. I was being stupid and it got tangled, and me and my mom tried to save my hair for like an hour, and after an hour I just lost it. I'm like, just give me a scissor and I'm gonna cut my hair. And then I cut it, and I'm gonna put my curls to the front and get another section. I usually go like right here. If you don't have a lot of volume, get tiny sections so you have a lot of curls. For me, I take like decent amount because I do have some volume. Not a lot, but I do have some volume. So this section, I usually divide it into 3 or 4. Let's see. And I'm checking my hair, like, is it too hot? I think it's good. Hold the curl, let it go, put it in the back. Usually I watch Netflix while I'm doing this. Today I can't, so I'm getting bored. Please don't burn your ear because this is very close to your ear and my hand hurts. My hair is getting longer and it's really hard for me to wrap in this one because it's not enough now. I need a bigger one. Or cut my hair. That's an option too. I have a long way to go. Now what I'm gonna do is, this is like the top part. I divide this right here. And the ponytail. And I'm starting from the back. So I cannot see anything. I'm just gonna feel it and then get a small section. Put a clip. And another clip, because otherwise it's gonna slide off. I know I look dumb, just ignore it. My hand is killing me right now. If you want more volume, you can divide this into 2, like right here. So it's 2 sections. For me, I don't want it. It's not enough. One is too tiny and my hair is so long. I need a haircut. but I don't trust anyone with my hair, especially not here. If I wanted to cut my hair, I want to go back to Sri Lanka because for some reason they know how to cut hair, but here I never found anybody who can cut my hair the way I wanted to. I think I didn't cut my hair in like almost 2 years or 2 years. Not even split ends, and I don't have split ends. Thank God. And even for this side, I'm not gonna divide it into two, even though I have a side part, but it's very close to a middle part. So I'm just gonna curl it this way. I just realized I didn't film these 3 curls. Sorry. I'm getting tired. You need a lot of patience for this, and I have it. I do have a lot of patience. Trust me. My bangs are like up to here, so I'm gonna curl it this part from here down, and I'm gonna go behind it with this. So I'm not gonna curl my bangs. As you can see, they're sticking out. And I'm gonna take my bangs and go like this to make it a little bit smooth because I don't want to turn my flat iron. Don't burn your forehead. Let me unplug this. Curls are done. See, they're all done. I didn't break any curls. I still have it. All the curls. Before I break my curls, I like to use hairspray. I use Tresemme hairspray. This is the extra hold. It says right here somewhere, extra hold. Put your hair to the side and close your eyes and spray. And I kind of go behind my hair. I do this as soon as I put hairspray, so it's gonna get dry. I know I look stupid, but this is what I do. Okay, and I do this from underneath my hair, not like this, just this. And if I feel these curls are like really tight, then I'm gonna go on top, but not a lot. Style it the way I want it to. Parts are done. That's it. This is how I curl my hair, and everybody wants to know how I curl my hair, and it is torture because I have long hair. If you have short hair, this is perfect because it doesn't take that long. I do have hair up to my waist. So if you have hair like me, it's gonna take a long time. You need a lot of patience. Otherwise, this is not gonna work. And I'm used to it by now because as long as I remember, I had long hair. So this is what I do. Not every day. I do have some days that I don't curl my hair and I just go to work with my normal hair. But most of the time, my hair is curled. So this is how I curl my hair, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below how long your hair is. I just want to know. I'm curious. And subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so whenever I upload a video, you'll get a notification.